Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to share with you how I make my natural DIY condition. This ingredient you can find it in your kitchen, so let's get started. Here I have my banana, I have my 2 egg. So beauty, why I said this ingredient you can find it in your kitchen. I always have egg at home, have banana. Even if the banana it don't even black, don't throw it away, just use it to make something in your hair. And this hair mask, it moisturize hair very well, make your hair to be strong and shine. Now, after blending, I will put it inside this small bowl. I will add 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So if you don't have all this oil, you can also use sunflower oil. Yes, sunflower oil is very good for hair. I think sunflower oil, now that they call at that time, anyone shall. I hope you will know the oil when I dey talk about. After adding the oil, I will turn on like this with my spoon. Look at that, it's so creamy, come out so well.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get us.
Here I have my bottle. I will put everything inside this bottle and cover.
Tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Now it's ready to use. If you want to see how I apply this hair mask, come may we apply them together to the hair.
I'm sinking, take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
This hair mask has a lot of benefits. Moisturize hair very well. It's good for any hair type. It prevents hair damage, dandruff, itchy scalp. It promotes hair growth. It will also add extra shine to your hair, and your hair will be looking healthy.
To where we started out. Oh no. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to
finish applying the mask, I will cover it with our cap. I will leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's optional. So when I finish raising the hair, I will apply my oil. If you want to know how I make this oil, I have the video in my channel.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
So when I finish combing the hair, I will use my Africa black thread to hold the hair. Then before I will weave the hair like this, itotiri.
World of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run.
So we have come to the end of this video. Let me say greetings to all my subscribers. You all are so amazing. Thank you so much. See, I know I post video once in a week. Now that one your girl go fit do for now. I have a lot of videos to share with you. I plait my hair by myself. I make adult hair. Anyone when I break come, Muna they help me, they wash am, so that you too go see also promote my video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.